everything.
Yeah.
You want to keep everything,
Yeah.
including your journals.
I have a journal at school.
That's very nice. But right now we're talking about other people's journals. Women who have
Oh my gosh.
journaled for a long time since they were kids, and that's a lot of journals. Every year, if you write a lot, where do you keep them? What do you do with them? Where do they go? I personally have a box that I made, but there are a lot of options to store your journals, from storage, tiered shells to these cardboards. These are probably most inexpensive. You can categorize them by year or do something more personalized, long lasting, wood, something like what I have. But journaling, what I would say is to ask yourself, what is the purpose of keeping your journals? Where do they hold value in your life? What do they do for you? Do you plan on writing a memoir? Do you plan on giving these to your kids? But they're your words, a part of your life. Find a way to store them so they're protected, so they're accessible, and journal it out. That's all I have. Thanks for watching. This is Free Energy Architect of Feel Free Club.
Can I talk?
Feel free. I mean, it's over now.
No, it's not. Don't. Stop it. Stop it.